Good morning, students. Today we are going to start 7th chapter of geography, that is human settlements. In our 6th chapter we have seen the population, about means what is the population of India, young generation, old generation, children, dependent population and independent population, literacy rate, sex ratio. These all things we have studied in our 6th lesson. Now we have to study human settlement. How many people are living at particular place, what type of settlement is found in particular area, that we have to study in our 7th chapter. So see examples of settlement pattern in India. Here two examples are shown, 7.1a and 7.1b. You have to observe the both the figures. So see first 7.1a. So it is the satellite image. So see student, you can see this dark color shade. It is showing that many people are living in this area, means number of families are living in this region. So here we can find dense settlement, and if you will see here, so it is that houses are away from each other. The houses are not close, so it is dispersed settlement, means the houses are scattered, it is not close to one another, and here we can see it is very close to one another. So if we will study this map which we have seen in our 6th chapter, India's map, that population density that I want to show you, India's map first we'll study. So see students, here the distribution of the population. So you can see here northeastern side, that population is dense settlement. We can find nucleated settlement in this Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, West Bengal. Downside also we can see here Tamil Nadu, Kerala. So these are the places where dense settlement we find. Why that settlement is dense in this region? Because here facilities are available. Which facility? Means suitable climatical conditions are there, availability of water and transportation, slope of the land, fertile land. So these all things are affecting to the population. If you are having all the facility in particular region area, then people will like to live in that region. And another, if there is, now see here in the Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, not Rajasthan, and Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh. So these are the places where population is very less. Why? Because of the same thing, climatical condition. Here climatical conditions are not good for the human being, means human being they have to suffer a lot in this region. So here we can see in the Rajasthan, their desert region is there. There is no fertile land, availability of water is also not there, again heat is more. So in such condition, and because of the desert, transportation facilities also having problem. And in this northern part, suppose Jammu Kashmir, so Jammu and Kashmir, what are the problem for the people? It is cool region, chill area. So there also a mountainous region is there, so flat land not available for agriculture, and due to the cold region, so number of problems is arising in these areas. Arunachal Pradesh dense forest, and so that transportation facility is not available, development is not taking place in this region fast. So due to that, people they are not giving preference to live in these areas. So where they will find all the facilities, factories, industries, land for agriculture, suitable climate, water availability. There, that region people like to live. So now we will come to our chapter. Now see what is said here. Observe the figure 7.1a and 7.2b. Answer the following questions. Identify the type of settlements. So first settlement is nucleated settlement, and second, 7th b, that is dispersed settlement. Now which one is nucleated settlement and why? So 7.1a, it is nucleated settlement because in this region, so in this region we can find all the facilities. So people like to stay in the place where they are having facilities. Which facility? Climatical conditions should be suitable, they can easily get the water for their livelihood also, and for agriculture also. There must be land available for agriculture, industries. There should be transport, import export facility. So such kind of things are responsible for the nucleated settlement. Next question they have given, which one is dispersed settlement? What could be the reason behind it? So we can see the some part of Gujarat, Arunachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, that belt. So these region we can find dispersed settlement in India, because that is their people, they will not get the suitable climatical condition. So Himalayan region, there is too much cold. Some part of Gujarat, western side, and northern side, so there we can find desert region. So due to desert, there people will not get land for agriculture. If there is some available some land, but that land will also turn into barren because of the storm and these thing. So people will not get that their basic facility in this region, so they have to struggle a lot if they will live there. So that's why people will not give priority to live in this region. So that's why dispersed settlement find in that region. Now next question, can you guess in which region are these settlements located in India? Just now I have told you dispersed settlement is in Arunachal Pradesh, Gujarat, and that Himachal Pradesh, Haryana not Himachal Pradesh, and Jammu Kashmir. So these regions, and these uh, nucleated settlement we can find in the plateau region, plateau area. There that land is available good, because people will get land for the agriculture. First thing, industries will develop in that plain region, plateau region. So again fertile land will be available for the agriculture. So due to that, water facilities there, transportation facilities there. So these region, plateau region, people will like to live. So here they have said, if we will talk about India, so then we can see Mumbai city, there is dense population. As we have seen in the northeastern part, means now just I have shown you where is the this settlement, nucleated settlement. So I have informed you that in the Madhya Pradesh and um, Bengal, Kerala, Karnataka. So these places we can find dense population. Again, we have seen northeastern side means that places like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab, West Bengal. So these places we can find nucleated settlement. Now we will study the geographical explanation. In India, we can see variety of settlement pattern given variety of climatic factors, availability of water, slope of land and level of development. So here said that in our India we can find settlement pattern. Which settlement pattern? Both settlement pattern, nucleated and dispersed settlement. So nucleated settlement pattern we will find in the areas where these all the factors are available, means climatical factors, availability of water is very important. Without water people cannot survive. Water for agriculture, water for industries, water for their daily livelihood. Then slope of land and level of development means what? That all the development means in the medical field, in the industrial field, educational field, all that field, if there is development then people like to live in this region. So next is said here, nucleated settlements are found throughout the plateau region of Narmada Valley. So plateau region of Narmada Valley. So where the plateaus are there? Malwa Plateau, Mewar Plateau, Bundelkhand Plateau. So these plateaus we can find number of people living in that region, means nucleated settlement find, because in that plateau region land is available to build their houses, to build the colonies, cities. Again here land for industries is available, land for agriculture is available, so people give the preference to live in this region. Paddy lands in Bihar, paddy lands means rice cultivation. So if there is a more rainfall in particular region, so rice cultivation will be more. So in that paddy land people like to live because they will they because for agriculture land also there and suitable climatical condition also there. UP, Vindhya Plateau and several other cultivated parts of India. So here it is said that Vindhya Plateau there is cultivated land available. Another also in several places where for the agriculture suitable land, availability of water is available. So there, that region we can find nucleated settlement. On the other hand, dispersed settlements are found in tribal parts covering central part of India. So dispersed settlement means what? Houses are away from each other due to some reasons of, if you can say the tribal parts of central part of India, then there we can find dispersed settlement. Eastern and southern Rajasthan, Himalayan slopes and land with dissected and uneven topography. So here it is said that tribal parts, because in the tribal region as we know that forest, tribal peoples are living in the forest. So forest, that is not a place for establish the settlement. So the tribal people, suppose they are today here, then tomorrow they will go in another forest, so they are wandering people. So suppose the tribal people, if they are not regularly changing their place, if they are not wandering, but then also in the tribal areas tribal people are living in the areas like forest, so there no uneven topography, means they will not get proper land to build their houses for the agriculture. So that is not possible in that region, so there people will not live. So there we can find dispersed settlement. Eastern and South Rajasthan here said. So children, in the Rajasthan also, as we know that there is desert. So due to that desert people will suffer daily new challenges. New challenges mean basic facilities for the basic needs they have to struggle. So due to that also we can find less people are living in that region. And Himalayan slopes we have, as we have seen Jammu Kashmir, so that Himachal Pradesh, so there due to cold mountainous region due to cold, so that region also not suitable for the people, so there we can find dispersed settlement. And here said that land with dissected and uneven topography. Dissected means what? Means not continuous, it is uneven. Means suppose there is forest region, so you will not find the proper place, plateau region, where you can find, you can uh, establish your houses, your colonies, small village. So they are not like that. Suppose hilly regions, in that region suppose you find some flat place, so people will build their houses and they will live. And again up and down like that, land is there, so people will leave that place, again they will go some other place where they will find the flat plateau, flat land. So like that houses we find at particular distance, not particular, but we can find, means where they will find the plain region, there they will establish their houses. They need land also for their agriculture. So like that houses are away from each other, that is uneven topography. Uneven topography means what? Uneven land means some places, because of that I told you, because of mountains or hilly region, forest region, it is not even like plain area. Plateau region, how it is? It is the plain area where you can establish your houses also, your colonies also, you can build the industries also. But such in these places like desert region and forest region, hilly region, there you will not find the even topography, that is uneven topography. So this uneven topography we find dispersed settlement. Think about it. Tell whether settlement shown in image 7.1a and b are urban or rural. So some places we have seen it is urban and some are rural. So here one activity is given to the children. What is that activity? So see, here some examples are given and amenities, and another available in villages or available in cities. You have to do tick mark. Petrol pump, of course it is available in the cities. Theater, it will available in the cities. Weekly market are available in the villages, because in cities also weekly markets are available, but markets are daily in the cities. So primary health center, it is found in the villages. Police outpost we can find in the villages, police outpost. Art gallery, cities. Gram panchayat, village. Agriculture product market committee, that is found in the both the places, villages as well as cities. Primary schools, it is also found in the both the places, mostly it is in the villages. Senior schools also find in villages also, and cities also. Colleges, cities. Shop, both the places. Multi speciality hospitals we can find in the cities. Skilled doctors are available there, so that we will find in the cities only. Metro station, city. Bus station, cities. And university, cities. So now we will go to the next. Here images, satellite images of Brazil are shown. So it is the low lands of Amazon river. So that is the Amazon river. So this gray color part, you can brown color, so that is the Amazon river, and that green, that is the forest region. So here we can find dispersed settlement. How? Because of the forest region, because of the Amazon basin. So a large river, Amazon river, is flowing from this region. So people, they will face number of challenges if they will live here, forest region. No land means no plain land will available to build for their houses and agriculture. For the agriculture also no land will available. Industries also is to establish industries. Transportation, these all are very difficult in this region. So that's why dispersed settlement will find here. And another, you can see this, it is the neglected settlement. It is the Sao Paulo region. It is the coastal coastal sites and some parts of Brazil like Sao Paulo, there we can find dense settlement. Why dense settlement? Because climate is also suitable here, land is available for agriculture, for industries, so etc. So people easily water available, so that's why people like to live in this region. They can get all the facilities easily, so here nucleated settlement is found. So see, in the figure 7.2a and b, you can see images of two settlements in Brazil. One is from the Amazon river basin in Brazil, while the other belongs to the coastal area. Observe the settlement pattern carefully and name the type of settlement pattern. Write a comment on their density and types. We have seen figure 7.2a, it is the dispersed settlement, and 7.2b, it is dispersed settlement. Okay, now see geographical explanation. The earlier settlements in Brazil were formed by the settlement from Europe, mainly in the coastal areas. So see, we can find in the coastal areas their settlement is more, means people, they are getting water in the coastal areas, so that's why people establish the settlement. Now the settlement have developed and are densely populated. The major reasons of the development are as follows. So European, mainly European, they have established this settlement. Now that settlements are developed, and what are the reasons that we have to study. Although the coastal climate is hot and humid, and flat land is limited due to rugged topography, the region has good water supply and large range of natural resources. Example, Sao Paulo. So here they are saying that in the coastal areas, climate is hot and humid. Flat and land is also limited due to rugged topography. Rugged topography means what? Uneven topography. So, but then also we can find large supply of water, and natural regions also abundant found in that region. So that's why people, they live in that region. Sao Paulo has extensive area under rich soil, which makes it ideal for growing coffee. So Sao Paulo, that region, their climate is very good for the coffee cultivation. It also has a large supply of natural mineral close by, such as iron ore, and it also has a steady energy supply. The southeastern area has a good transport system too. This makes the Sao Paulo area a nucleated settlement. See figure 7.3. So here is said that why Sao Paulo region there is nucleated settlement, though it is having hot and humid type of climate, rugged topography, but then also settlement is more because of this thing. Because for the coffee cultivation or growing of the coffee, that is the suitable climate. Natural minerals also find like iron ore, and energy supplies also there more. Another, they say that in the eastern southeastern area, transportation system is also good. So due to these all the thing, people give preference to live in this region. See, rural areas such as the northeastern highlands suffer from extreme drought. In this northeastern side, drought situation forms. So due to that, people suffered, which makes it difficult for the practicing agriculture, and hence settlements are sparse there here. So if drought region is there, means no rainfall for years, so then how agriculture is possible in that region? So number of problem for practicing agriculture. So that's why people, they are not giving preference to live in that region. So there sparse settlement we will find. Settlement becomes sparse as well as move in towards the central part of Brazil. Given our major reasons why are the people changing their houses, why they are like to live in the central part of Brazil. So number one reason, area is covered by thick dense equatorial rainforest. See figure 7.4, equatorial region. So that region, because equatorial region, as we know that heat is more, again daily rainfall is there, rainforest is there, so that is not suitable region for the people to live. The climate here is unhealthy and unfit for settlement. That climate is also not good, people often fall ill here. Limitations on use and exploitation of the natural resources. So here natural resources limitations are there to use and exploitation of natural resources, so due to that people not live in that region. Poor transport links in this region, so that all are the reasons for dispersed settlement, dispersed settlement in the equatorial areas. So students, we will stop here and next we will see in our coming video. Okay, thank you very much.